Welcome to the stunning beaches of Puerto Peñasco, Mexico, where the sun rises over the tranquil shores of the Sea of Cortez. Today, we are here to spotlight a fascinating bird that calls this coast home, the Wilson's Snipe. The Wilson Snipe is a medium-sized shorebird with distinctive appearance. It has a brown-black, wide belly and a long black bill, perfect for probing into the mud and sand. These birds migrate to coastal areas like this one, where they can be found in shallow waters, mud flats, and sandy beaches. Wilson snipes are carnivorous, feeding on a variety of invertebrates like insects, crustaceans, and mollusks. They use their sensitive bills to probe into the sand and mud, searching for hidden prey. This unique foraging behavior allows them to thrive in a coastal ecosystem. As our planet faces the challenges of climate change, the Wilson snipes and its habitats are under threat. Rising temperatures can alter the distribution and abundance of their prey, making it harder for these birds to survive. Additionally, sea level rise and increased storm frequency can destroy their breeding and foraging grounds. So, what can we do to help preserve the Wilson snipe and its habitats? Conservation efforts like restoring coastal ecosystems, promoting bird-friendly practices, and engaging local communities are crucial. By working together, we can reduce the impact of climate change and protect these incredible birds. As we conclude our journey with the Wilson snipe, remember that every small action counts. By spreading awareness, supporting conservation efforts, and making eco-friendly choices, we can ensure the long-term survival of these remarkable species. Thank you for joining me in this adventure, and let's work together to protect our planet's precious wildlife.